Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make knockdown stitches for monogram frames that you may digitize to put on towels and stuff. The knockdown stitches are important that you can put them down, and it helps your monogram actually not get lost in the pile of your towel. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to change my hoop size. I'm going to start this as an 8 by 8 hoop, which is the Brother 200 by 200 millimeter. So I'm going to change that, and then I'm going to bring in an image that I'm going to use to make this monogram frame. So here we go. First I'm going to just go ahead and click here. Trying to do this fairly quick so it won't take too terribly long. On these curves I try to do it like halfway in between. I think it makes it a little bit smoother. I mean, you could try to do it all in one curve, but I don't know if that's going to work. We'll try it in this last corner here. That works. So I'm going to finish my object here. And to get the knockdown stitches, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my underlay, and I'm going to change my density up to, say, 8, and we're going to look at this and see what it looks like. We'll go into 3D mode. I mean, it's there. To me, it's a little dense for what I would want. So I'm going to change it again to, say, 12, and look at it and see what it looks like. That's a little bit better. It's going to knock it down. And when you do a monogram, we'll just do a letter real quick here. This might be too big, but we'll look at it. Yep, it is. So if you do a monogram, say your towel is blue and you want to change the color of the letter to be pink, I'm just using the frame here or this knockdown will help it stand out, and then you can actually convert the outline of the frame and make it say satin stitches. Select the width that you want, and then you have that so that you won't be able to actually tell the edges of your knockdown. Now you can actually change the color of the knockdown and have your satin stitches a different color. It really doesn't matter. So just wanted to show you that. Now if you don't like regular stitching in here and you want a motif, you can go in under motifs and say change a motif in there. That one's pretty large. We can actually play with the density here. Let's make it 100 and see what it looks like. I would think that some of the fibers could probably poke through and your monogram won't float on top. Here's another one. Stars. And then this one right here, it's a nice one. You might get a little bit of fibers poking through, but let's see if we can change this density in half and see what it looks like. That would work, I think, pretty good. Anyway, this is how you can do it. You can always take a towel or something and play with it. Give it a test stitch real quick and see if that's going to give you the desired result. But this way, when you do your monograms on your towels, the lettering will not get like lost in the pile of the towel. So hope you like it. It's very easy to do. Just wanted to give you that quick little tutorial. Talk to you later. Bye.